You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sure.
Okay. This use
Yes,
case,
sure. Yes, we can see.
right? So let me copy this string. Okay. So though we have given Bangalore, but still we are getting a results who are not in Bangalore. The reason because they might be earlier staying in a Bangalore, but currently would have relocated to some other location, and current location is something showing over here. So now we take a use of this particular mix and match. As we seen number of words between the location and between the word connection, there might be a case of around 5 words or 6 words or 7 words like that. So I just give Bangalore, AROUND, around 6 or 5 or 7 connections. Now, as soon as we gave that, what we got, everything is from a Bangalore. So again, we can take and all are diversity profiles. The reason because we gave girl or women's around 7, school, college, university, institute, or engineering. So similarly, if you want to see one more use case of very stringent one, let's say this. So tech might be understood by Google as a technology also. Mentor might fetch some false positive as well, but let's keep it. Okay, so again, we got all diversity only, but wherein okay, now if you see this one is a false positive. Okay, now if you see mentor and woman within that 3 words, remaining words also within that 3 particular words only. If we open, let me just open a couple of profiles. Okay, so we got non-diversity. The reason because he has been mentoring diversity profiles. WME. Or maybe in his engineering days he would have mentored. Let me just come here. So yeah, this is women in tech from here. Women who code over here, maybe women tech makers also we can add. So this is straight away upfront it's taking. So here mentor. So though we did not give mentor and girls as it is, but we give mentor and around within 3 words girl or woman or women's. Like in this string, if you see girl, girls, women or women, only around 3 in tech, who code or mentor. And that's where we got this profile. She was a mentor for girls. Similarly, like this, like a rank, WTM, maybe woman tech maker. So code path, group of 6, run by mentor. Somewhere it might be. I'm not able to see. Google, okay, woman here, and then tech maker here. So the tech could be a technology tech maker. As I mentioned, Google has become more smart now. So yeah, so let's say now one of my string, one of our string, this one, which is focusing on colleges, engineer, girl or girls or women or women's around 7 school, college or university or institute or engineering. If this string is mentioning, taking it more of a college oriented, people who would have done from non-co-education schools, this is for them. And this one, maybe it would fetch us people from co-ed schools also, diversity profiles from co-ed also, who might have written in tech, who code, tech makers or technology. Engineering. And again, around 6 keywords, Bangalore and connection. We got all the results only from Bangalore. Now, if you see every result, when we used Bangalore along with the connections, all the results are only from the Bangalore, none other the other locations. And that's how that around function works. I'll just take a pause. Any questions? And also we would be able to see 99% of diversity profiles. 1 to 5% might be non-diversity because they would have mentioned in their profile like that. Now, if you see, additionally, we added some more keywords. This was the earlier one with the intech, who code and mentor. Similarly, here we came, again, we added intech, who code, tech maker, technology, engineering, and then around 3 were around 3 word, girl or girls or women's. Now, if you see women institute of technology, within that 3 words only, women, first word, institute of 2 words and technology, engineering for women. So to and fro, in and around, proximity search, where we are not sure of how these 2 words can be together. Something like SAP developer can be together, ABAP developer can be together. But in this now, it is completely unstructured. It could be somewhere in and around. I don't know how it will be together. So that's the reason, instead of using like in tech a kind of a colon, what we're using, first set we are taking, we are giving some certain number of keywords, and then within around number of words, it is not the number of connection, it is number of keywords. Like woman is a first word, 1 2, technology second, of, and then here engineering for women. So here also it might be, it's a developer over here. So if you see women, 1 2, technology. Again, we got ENGG for women, science for women, technology and science for women, engineering college for women, engineering for women. So yeah, that's how we search for diversity also. So this is X-ray searches for diversity. We'll have one of the fantastic session on LinkedIn, maybe in next 1 or 2 weeks, or maybe next week, to dive deep completely on a LinkedIn and how to get 100% of diversity profiles on LinkedIn. So yeah, I'll just take a pause. Any doubts, confusion?
So, Shiv, while using this around in the strings twice, so there is no false positives or something like that.
What?
The string is too long or something like that. There
Unless
is
it
issue or
is,
something. No.
unless if it is going beyond 32, we can feel free to give.
Okay.
Otherwise, number of
Okay.
times we can give around. So here also we gave one time and here also we gave 2 times.
Yeah.
This use case is getting me from the list of colleges or universities, and this case is giving me purely from that location only. Now let's
Alright.
see. I'll remove Bangalore. Give me some niche location.
Indore.
Huh?
Indore. Indore. Then let's try that.
Let's say Indore. Okay. Now if you see, all are from Indore. So this one Delhi, but let's see why it has popped. This another one Hyderabad. Let's see why it has popped up. But again, 99% from that location. Now let's see why these ones has popped up. So Mumbai contact info connections here. So yeah, as I mentioned, previous history false positive. But let's say ये तो बंदा कभी इंदौर में था भी नहीं.
Exactly.
Survey. Maybe Google history.
Okay.
So here Indore, how does that take it from?
This is one college, yeah.
A slight this thing false positive. But let's say now I'll see some of the Indore profiles only.
If sometimes under their activity feed also Indore word would have been mentioned, even then LinkedIn fetches those results.
Yeah. Indore and India. So let's go back here. Instead of connections, now earlier it used to come in a one line. Now connection is coming at the bottom. Recent change. Earlier it used to be in a one line till last week. This I'm observing now. So let's go back. But otherwise we see from this pattern Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. So maybe around 1, 2. Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. So let's say around 3 instead of connections. NDIA. Now we'll see in case if we get that false positive. India, Pune, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Hyderabad, Indore, Bangalore, still getting.
Shiv, what if we use like Indore, Madhya Pradesh and India in this string?
That will give as it is. That will be the accurate one, in fact. So if you're saying this one, this will be 100% accurate as it is if we give this part. But otherwise, you see, all are again diversity profiles. $37. Still, we got one false positive. Yeah, that's the reason because of Google history, what it remembers. So instead of that, I'll come back to basics. So contact info, connections, location, info tag, which could be the other format. Let's say here, present. present 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's say present within 4. Let's see, we need 4. Present नहीं ले रहा है. This also not taking. Now it has come. Now I'm opening the profile where we don't see the location. Still, we have a couple of false positive, but majority of the results are from Indore, and maybe like 2, 3, whatever the false positive, as I mentioned, based on the Google's memory. After opening the profile, seems to be Indore only, but yeah, somewhere around 10% based on the Google's memory. But otherwise, we have maximum number of profiles from Indore only. And yeah, our search is also very stringent that we are looking out for software engineers only with the title and only the diversity profiles. Now, if I just remove diversity part and then keep Indore around 4 connections. Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India connection, right? So now if you see, we have maximum 90% of result from Indore only. Now we don't see. क्योंकि आस भी तो बहुत stringent था. All right, so how much time we have? We have another 15 minutes. So that's Indore. This is Indore. Even in the first page, it was not showing, but now it's when we open the page, we have almost all the profiles from Indore. All right, I'll just take a pause for the questions.
Shiv, if I have to add the experience range, I can put it anywhere, right? Anywhere in this range.
The positioning is not a criteria.
Okay.
All right, how to search for experience range we'll cover in our next session in detail. Okay, so now coming to agenda of today, slide share.
So my question,
Tell me, what was that?
backend engineer without title and without anything,
Okay,
or can we
I think
connect
we'll-
offline?
No, completely fine. We'll close on this. Maybe our agenda is pushing from last 2 weeks, but completely fine. I think we'll cover up with that particular your question today, and maybe next week we'll go for a further agenda. Maybe I'll come back and change the topic of agenda. What do I name for today's session? Diversity, company pages, how to find startup companies, how to find various industry company pages. Startup company pages, maybe that we can. So let's say pages, finding startup company pages. um, diversity string for diversity and deep web files. What else we covered? String for diversity using around files. Okay, this is what we have done. Now coming to deep web profiles. Your question. Who was that?
Kritika.
Kritika. Great. Can you rephrase your question?
So I have to find backend engineers for our organization. And as you know, that database is totally filled with each and every application, because we receive almost 3 million applications and each and every person is there. And either he is rejected or he is in pipeline or he is in process. So how do we go about searching people who are not yet tapped, or we haven't tapped them yet, and who are not basically available using the titles like software developer, software engineer, or senior software engineer, or SWEs or STEs?
So I don't have one answer for this, but I would say by end of the session or by end of the trainings, if we can cover all this, then you might have an answer. From SlideShare,
Okay.
from Stack Overflow, from AllStack, from Meetup, from across the web, in fact. So I don't really
Yeah.
have an answer for it. But otherwise,
No problem.
just to help you here. Okay, in URL, CV or resume, algorithm, algo, data structures. Distributed. Distributed, scalable, scalability. Really. So some of the spelling mistakes of scalability, million request, operational performance, large scale. Okay. We have gone beyond 32 keywords, and that's reason it started excluding in order of which has the least number of results. One more thing, iit.csc.iit. So these links, IIT KGP is an amazing database. Okay, so this is from ResearchWeb, iit.ac.in. You have IIT's resumes. So similarly, try to understand the user pattern of it and try going back to the, I'll come back to it. So otherwise this profile sounds good. PhD in Computer Science and Engineering, IIT Chennai, IIT Madras, from Microsoft Research. He has done his internship over there. If you're looking for SD1 also at Google, then maybe a good profile. Between SD1 to SD2, decent enough because he has done a PhD as well.
Mhm.
He's doing computer science. Intern. So 2015 only PhD completed. After that, where is he currently? Not really sure. Uber India. Amazing. Myntra earlier. Myntra. Amazing profile. So currently in Bangalore, IBM Research Lab work on optimizing benchmark. Yeah, good one. BTech 2016. Medium, GitHub. Coinex. Amazing. Yeah, seems to be good profiles. You tell. You give me your view. Kritika?
Yeah, they are fine. It's just I need to check if they are already in the database or not.
See, now this is just the raw search which we gave. Just the
Yeah.
search. Later on, you'll have a lot of stuff. Like, let's say now, Web IIT ResearchGate, Web IIT CSC, IIT KGP. Okay. Let's say I'll just take this part now. Site IIT Kharagpur. KGP is for Kharagpur. Just check a list of IITs
Yeah.
in URL CV
TV.
or resume. And then okay, CSC and yeah, CAI this email format. Okay, and then CSC or computer science, center of excellence, field of study. Let's say only this much. .ac.in. So no, yeah. There's one format. I don't know where I've taken a note of it, but let me just come. CSC. Okay, let's try this. Oh. site CSC IITM AC in URL resume. Okay, so here we have all the IIT, CSC, IITM, and all. Similarly, let me just come back. Few more. IIT KGP, IITG, IIT-K, IIT Kolkata, Kharagpur. Anyways, all our resumes only. I'm trying to see CSHM, that what we say, university related pages are there actually, in fact, UIC EDA. So as soon as you get some profiles like that, immediately understand the URL pattern and start targeting. So here URL pattern you understand and start targeting, but I'm not getting that proper example. Let me see if I have shared earlier in WhatsApp. But otherwise, if you see, these are all like aligned profiles, which you might be looking for.
Yeah.
Okay, we have not given any titles or anything. Rather, we have gone with the particular set of keywords. Coimbatore
Yeah.
Institute of Technology. Okay, this is one of the CIT. MIT STM. Okay, now this is cit.edu.in. Site cit.edu.in. 215. He has uploaded his resume in 215. That means by now 5 years. cit.edu.in in URL resume or CV. So another 10 here. So these are very less actually. In fact, earlier I found some of the searches which had a huge number of results. So. IIT KGP, Kharagpur, IIT. Somewhere it's there in the earlier recording also. IIT Delhi. Okay.
Shiv remove cai.iit.kgp. Yeah.
Yeah, here we go. So yeah, iitd.ac.in for Delhi. Now this you KGP Kharagpur. Now we have hundreds of IIT M from IIT Madras. So just keep changing this part. So you might come up this number of results and then yeah, you're good.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So Shiv, without adding a site operator also, we are still getting results, right?
Yeah, without
In
adding
front of IITM.
Yeah. And then this, if you see this CSC.IITM, so you can just take help of this. Just a second, I'm getting a call. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Pranam. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so this is for IIT Madras. Similarly, just keep changing this part. IIT Delhi, all from IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur.
Can I just open one profile? I just want to see how much experience this site is tapping.
See, in case if you don't even see the experience also, that is still fine. Okay, but what is important here, in case if they are, they have updated their resumes in their um, uh, college database somewhere 3 or 4 year backs, but still if you're targeting these kind of a colleges, means definitely have that premium level of candidates coming in. So maybe
Yeah.
like department you keep changing, go for a CSC and all, and then sometimes you come across the list like that. And if you're hiring for SD once, I would say join some Google groups for those companies.
No, SD1.
SD2s you're hiring, right? So here it is. So yeah, experience range, as I mentioned, we'll go in a further sessions how to give the experience ranges. But now if you see year 2019, so this we might have to slightly tweak. BSc
Yeah.
5+ years. But otherwise you have that all. So once you catch hold of one particular result which is fetching an good result, that's it. Immediately, first we give a very raw search in URL resume CV gmail.com, Bangalore, Bengaluru, Noida, algorithms. So this is the main related keywords what this SDEs would have mentioned.
Yeah.
Okay, they might not have mentioned the titles, but these are the main keywords what they would have mentioned in their resumes. So first I get the raw result, that this is also still fine. I'm not saying that this is not good. This is also some of the amazing result. We just checked it. All these particular keywords. Then after that, every URL I'm just trying to identify GVK, maybe some college or a URL pattern I'm trying to identify, and then trying to start. So it.ans, or there was CIT also. Okay, cit.edu. This is all from Coimbatore Institute. So just go and see that every university site of this premium institutes, when this candidate uploads the resume, how that the URL pattern looks like, and then come back and start performing the searches.
Yeah. Thank you so much. It was very insightful.
Okay, but otherwise, as you are asking, because in Amazon also I face the same thing. 99%
Yeah.
candidates already applied; they're already in the database. What I do, I used to do is like, basically I used to mine internal database only. So, if you
Yeah.
want to
That
get
is what I have to do now. Yeah.
if you want to get the fresh profile to the Google database, I don't know if it is possible, because across the globe people would have already applied one thing.
Yeah.
But yes, there is still a lot of data which is available. So that's the reason I just mentioned. By the time we complete all this content, you might be in a situation to get that a fresh profile for a Google database. But
I'm looking forward to it, Chef.
what?
I'm saying looking forward to it.
Yeah, no problem. So yeah, from Stack Overflow, GitHub, SlideShare.net, as I mentioned, like understanding URL pattern, that's the utmost important thing for every X-ray search is what we perform. All right.
So
Yeah.
Shiv just share that IIT URL as well.
Yeah.